Winter's here, and with Christmas just around the corner, people are spending more than ever on gifts. And luckily for you, I've gathered 10 winning products that people actually want to buy and could help turn your store into a real moneymaker. So be sure to stick around, because by the end of the video, I'll also show you how to set up a free Christmas themed Shopify store that can make your site stand out even more. Oh, and just wait for product number 7. It might be the game changer you've been looking for. And with that said, kicking off our list is the custom photo blanket, the perfect gift for anyone this holiday season. It combines warmth with a touch of nostalgia, whether it's a family photo, beloved pet, or just a special memory. It's a truly personal item. And as you probably knew, people are naturally drawn to gifts that actually have a meaning, which is why photo blankets boast a high perceived value and can easily be sold for more. So if you're looking for a product that actually resonates with people and they're willing to pay a little extra for, a custom blanket is a clear winner. And next up on the list is this animal hot water bag belt, the perfect blend of comfort and charm. This delightful accessory not only features cute animals, but also provides soothing warmth, making it ideal for cozy nights or easing aches and pains. And what truly sets this product apart is its high perceived value, because customers appreciate products that are functional and fun at the same time. And this means that you can easily sell this product for a premium price. So if you're looking for a product that not only brightens someone's day, but also offers genuine warmth and care, this hot water bag is an excellent pick. And just a quick note, if you're interested in getting all the product links and a guide on setting up your free themed store, I've put together a free PDF and it's going to be the first link in the description. And up next is one of my personal favourites, the hockey sling game. And it's a fantastic way to bring the excitement of the ice rink into your own home. This fun and engaging game is perfect for gatherings, parties, and just cozy nights that you spend with your families. And it's also designed both for kids and adults, which makes it a versatile gift that anyone can enjoy. So if you're searching for a gift that brings fun and friendly competition and most likely will go viral nearing the Christmas break, I'd say that the hockey sling is a fantastic choice. And this brings me on to the thermal coffee mugs, which are the ultimate solution for coffee lovers who crave hot beverages on the go. These sleek and stylish containers are designed to keep drinks at the perfect temperature for hours, making them ideal for busy mornings or outdoor adventures. And I've also seen a lot of mug type products blowing up on TikTok recently, which shows that it's definitely a winning product. And nearing the cold winter mornings, I think that I'll need to invest in one for myself. So if you're looking for a gift that combines functionality with sophistication, then the thermal coffee mugs or bottles are the choice for you. And swiftly moving on, the next product on the list are these little cute cozy bear socks, which is a charming way to keep little feet warm and stylish. And with their adorable bear design, these cozy accessories make every outfit more adorable while providing comfort and support. And parents love gifts that combine practicality and sweetness at the same time, which gives these products a high perceived value. And as you probably know, women tend to impulse buy a lot, and most likely, sales will come flying as soon as you post your first videos or ads. And not only are they easy to sell for premium, but they also bring joy to both babies and parents. Alright, and the 6th product on our list is this snowman LED mini Christmas tree, which is a delightful decoration that brings festive cheer to any space. And this charming mini tree features an adorable snowman design and twinkling LED lights, which makes it the perfect holiday decor gift. And lots of customers, especially in the Christmas season, are drawn to items that send a cozy atmosphere, which gives products a high perceived value, especially in this part of the year. And personally, I've seen people sell the exact same tree, but without the Christmas decorations, and make serious profit. And it's easy to sell as a premium, especially to older people, and I would personally look into trying to sell this product on Facebook, because the average age of the consumer is higher than on TikTok or Instagram, and usually older people have the capital and budget to buy these types of things, as well as they're just simply more interested in them. And this brings me on to the product you've all been waiting for, and it's the mini projector. Yes, I know, this product has been run through a lot over the past 2 years, but still people are making big bank with it. And personally, I've also been running this product, and in the last 3 days of running it, I've been able to make one sale on this product, which just shows that it's still making money and people still want to buy it. So yeah, you have to trust me on this one. Its price to value is just simply insane, and the compact and portable size of the projector allows you to enjoy movies, games, presentations anywhere, which makes it the perfect gift for entertainment lovers. And its high perceived value comes from its versatility and fun factor, which allows you to sell it as a premium. And with everyone sitting at their houses right now, it's the perfect time to run this product. Alright, and the 8th product on our list are these wooden Christmas cup holders, which are a practical yet festive addition to any holiday gathering. Those beautifully crafted holders not only protect surfaces from hot drinks, which can cause stains, but also add a charming touch to your decor. They make for a thoughtful gift that combines function with holiday spirit, and with their cheap price, you can easily sell them for a high profit margin. And now, at the number 9 spot, we have this cute baby bath towel, a soft and snuggly essential for bath time. Designed with adorable prints and high quality materials, this towel wraps little ones in comfort and warmth after a splashy bath. The same as the cozy bear socks, it's easy to sell with a high margin, and parents will definitely appreciate a practical gift that adds a bit of fun to their routines. And last but not least is the heated blanket pad, which is a must-have for those chilly nights. The cozy blanket pad provides adjustable warmth, which makes it just perfect for snuggling under the couch or adding extra comfort to your bed. And personally, I think that with the right marketing angle, it can easily be sold for premium, as customers appreciate the luxury of warmth and comfort. And I would definitely try to run these products up on Facebook, because products like this tend to do good on this platform. And as I mentioned in the beginning, if you want quick access to all the products that I mentioned in this video and some extra tips for setting up your store, check out the free PDF guide, which I put as the first link in the description. Alright, so now it's time for the bonus that I promised. As a surprise to all of you that made it to this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a Christmas themed Shopify store to really make your site pop off and get more sales instantly. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to it. First things first, we need the product on our store, and for the video I decided to go with the cozy heated blanket. I've also created a logo for the store that emphasizes the warmth of winter, which in some way also emphasizes our product. And with all that out the way, we can finally move to Shopify, where you'll see that I've already added our blanket. And the next step, which is also the most important one, is setting up our store. And I just wanted to quickly mention that if you want to start your own store, I've got a great deal for you, because if you sign up for Shopify using the link in the description, you'll get 3 months of Shopify for only $1. And after picking the theme that we like, I personally like to use this theme because it looks cozy and welcoming for the customers. We need to head on to the store setup, and here's what the store looks like right now. The first thing we want to change is the store colors to our preference, and personally I'm going to go with the colors of our logo so that it matches. And a quick bonus is that you should use no more than 3 colors. I personally always use white and black, and then add the color for this instance, this one, to make the site look clean and minimalistic. And the next thing that we want to do is customize the announcement bar, and instead of welcome to the store, I'm going to change it to maybe Christmas sale and soon, which is a good way to grab the attention of a potential customer. And yeah, after some major tweaks on the cover page, it's time for the products page, which is the most important part of our store. And yeah, here you can see how I quickly set up a converting products page. And if you want a full store setup guide, then be sure to let me know in the comments. But now it's time for the final touch that will definitely double our conversions. And after heading to Shopify app, we search for CBB to find the app that adds Christmas animations to the store, and it should be this one. And once you install the app, you can easily turn it on by doing this, clicking save and refresh. And yeah, after you go back on the store, you'll see the festive effects on your store right away. And yeah, here's how the store looks like after adding all the effects. Personally, I love it, and I'm sure it will definitely bring more conversions. And now that you've found your product and set up a quick website, watch this video in which I tried dropshipping for 30 days and see how my journey went.